Hello everyone. The question is the of the electrostatics. The question says that two charges minus q and plus q are located at point 0 comma 0 comma minus a and 0 comma 0 comma a respectively. First we have to find out the value what is the electric potential at point 0 0 comma z and x y comma 0. Okay, so this is the in 3D point x y z x y z. So we have to need a potential at 2 point. First point is the 0 0 z, second point is the x y z. Okay, and also we have to find out the obtain the potential, means dependent potential on the distance small r of a point from the origin, where small r divided by small a is greater than 1. That means we have to need a potential which is depend small r, means the small r the distance from the origin which we have to need a potential, and a is the position means there the location of a charges, that is the a and a. Okay, a is the distance which are the, let us suppose a equal to 4 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter, and r is the position vector which are from the origin, that is the given point. The position vector, the distance small r of a point from the origin. Okay, small r divided by small a is greater than 1, means third point, how much work is done in moving a small test charge from the point 5 comma 0 comma 0 and minus 7 comma 0 comma 0 along the x axis. Okay, so we have to need the other 3 point. First point is the electric potential at, let us suppose, a point and b point, or we can say that is the p point and q point. No, that is the, let us suppose, m point. Sorry, that is the, let us suppose, that is the l point and k point, l and k and l point. Okay, so we have to need our electric potential at this point. So there are the two charge. First charge located at point 0 comma 0 comma minus a, and second charge located at 0 comma 0 comma a. We have to need a potential at k point. Let us suppose we have to need a potential at k point. So Vk equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by r. Because electric potential is a scalar quantity, so you can direct added electric current, electric field is the vector quantity, so you cannot directly add, because if any two vector p and q are the given which are the vector, so by addition formula the addition of a two vector which will be equal to root of p square plus q square plus twice pq cos of a theta, imply that we can say electric potential is a scalar quantity, so you can add it normally. Let us suppose 2 plus 3, so 2 plus 2 and 3 are the scalar quantity, so you can add it directly. But vector quantity, let us suppose that is the two velocity vector, v1 vector and v2 vector, so you cannot directly add it, because v1 and v2 is the vector quantity, so we need a angle between v1 and v2. Then we can say magnitude of resultant of these two vector equal to root of v1 square plus v2 square plus twice v1 v2 cos of theta. Also we have to need the angle between v1 and v2. Similarly, you can say electric potential is the scalar quantity. So we have to two charge. First charge is located at point A. The located point will be 0 comma 0 comma minus a. A second charge is the 0 comma 0 comma z. So we have to need a potential at this point. Let us suppose 0 comma 0 comma z. So that is the p point. This is the p point, is given point. This is the p point. Okay, this is the p point and this is the q point. Okay, so potential at p point. So potential at p point, there the two charge will be given. First charge is at A, second charge is at B. So you directly added 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Okay, so q by r means for potential we can say v equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Okay, q by r. R is the distance from the charge charge, we have to need a potential, and Q is the charge. But if positive charge, so plus, in place of a charge we can put plus. If आपका negative charge, then in place of a Q equals to minus put in the electric potential. But electric आपका field cannot be applied this type of. If negative, then we put the magnitude. If positive, there is no problem. For potential, if positive, then plus. If negative, then minus. In that we can say electric potential at P point equal to, so minus Q divided by R. R means P and A means AP. Okay. This is the 0 comma 0 comma minus A. So this is the A point. This is the B point. 0 comma 0 comma A. So A plus A, which will be equal to 2 times of A. So this distance equals to Z. Means this distance equals to Z. So you can say this distance equal to Z. 0 comma 0 comma Z implies that this distance equal to Z. So this is the A point. This is the totally Z आपका. Because 0 comma 0 comma Z. So this is the Z, this is the A. So net distance AP equal to A plus Z. Okay. So right here, this is the A plus Z. A plus Z. Okay. Due to minus charge plus. Also this is the plus charge. So electric potential due to plus Q charge, which will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught plus Q divided by R. R is what? This is the Z, this is the A. So Z minus A, which will be equal to Z minus A. Imply that we can say 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught plus Q divided by just Z minus A. Okay. So we can simplify here, means Q will be common. So we can say Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 upon Z minus A minus 1 upon Z plus A. So Z plus A shifted left hand side. In fact, we can say Z plus A. Z minus shifted will be right hand side. Imply that Z minus A. So totally you can say the value of Z will be cancelled out. Here A minus of minus which will be equals to plus. So A plus A equal to 2A. Imply that you can say which will be equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. This value which will be equal to 2 times of A divided by. This is the Z square minus A square. Okay. So net potential at P point due to these two charge, which is the plus Q charge and minus Q charge. Minus Q charge located at A point, which coordinate is the 0 comma 0 comma minus A, and plus Q charge is located at B point, which is the 0 comma 0 comma A. Okay. So we have calculated the A point, means electric dipole at P point. Okay. Also we can find out the electric potential at Q point. So electric potential at Q point, so electric potential at Q point equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into, just this is the Q charge and minus Q charge. Due to Q charge, means we can say if we need the electric potential at Q charge, that is the AP. Imply that we can say that is the minus Q divided by AP, minus Q divided by AQ. Okay. Plus, due to plus Q charge, means that is the plus Q divided by, that is the BQ. That is the right here BQ. Okay. Equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into, that is the Q will be common. Imply that we can say 1 upon BQ. BQ is what? This is the B point or this is the Q point. So distance between BQ equal to, if two point is the given, let us suppose x1 y1 and x2 y2. If we have to need a distance, then root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. If 3 point is given, let us suppose first point is the x1 y1 z1, second point is the x2 y2 z2. So we have to need a distance, then root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square plus z1 minus z2 whole square. Imply that we can say we have to need the value due to A point, means we can say this is the 1 upon BQ. So BQ is what? That is the BQ. Okay. Equal to root of that number x minus 0 whole squaring, that is the x squaring, plus y minus 0 whole squaring, this is the y square, plus 0 minus a whole squaring, that is the a squaring. So this is the distance BQ minus 1 upon root of a, that is the AQ. AQ is what? AQ equal to x minus 0 whole squaring. Okay, just y minus 0 whole squaring. Here you can write here y minus 0 whole squaring plus x squaring plus 0 minus a whole squaring, that is the a squaring. Imply that we can say this is the 1 upon root of x square plus y square plus a square. This is the minus 1 upon root of x square plus y square plus a square. Both number will be the equal. So you can say electric potential at Q point which will be equals to 0. Electric potential at Q point which will be equals to 0. Okay. So A point is the calculated. Totally A point will be the calculated. Electric potential at P point, electric potential at Q point, both will be calculated. Okay. We have to find out the just आपका electric potential at general point R. Means according to B point, we can write here because we have to need a electric potential at general point R. We know that Vp means electric potential at general point R, which is the, let us suppose this is the dipole. Why you can say this is the dipole? Because this is the minus q charge, this is the plus q charge. Okay, this is the a distance, this is the a distance. Let us suppose a is the small quantity. So you can say that is the opposite charges minus q and plus q, and distance will be the 2 times of a. Imply that we can say minus q plus q, distance will be equal to 2 times of a. So electric potential at general point R, which is measured from the origin, means this is the, let us suppose origin, means a minus q, b plus q, distance a and a. So we have to need a electric potential. We have to need a electric potential. Let us suppose this is the alpha point. Yeah, we can say this is the just आपका z point. Yeah, we can say this is the O point. Okay. So we have to need a आपका electric potential. Let us suppose this angle will be equals to theta. Why you can say this angle equals to theta? Because आपका this is the minus q plus q. We know that just electric dipole. This is the minus q charge, this is the plus q charge, this is the midpoint. Let us suppose A point and B point. This is the O point. So we have to need a potential at P point. So that is the distance R. R distance is where? This is the आपका center of a AB which will be equal to 0, and this angle which will be equals to a theta. So electric potential at P point is what? So electric potential at P point equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P into cos of a theta divided by, that is the R square minus A square into cos square theta, means this is the P. P is what? 2 times of a just after Q into 2L. If this is the 2L distance, because this is the L and this is the L, or you can say this is the A, this is the A distance, and also you can say this is the A distance, and R is what? That is the distance from midpoint of a dipole to the general point P. So imply that you can say this is the electric potential at general point P. This is the minus Q plus Q. So electric dipole will be is the directions minus charge to plus charge, and this is the minus to plus Q charge, that is the angle theta, that is the angle theta, minus to plus. So minus to plus, that is the angle theta. So minus to plus, that is the angle theta. So you can say minus to plus, that is the angle theta. So this angle will be theta. So this angle will be theta. Okay. Minus 2 plus. Minus 2 plus this is angle theta. So this is the r distance. So you can say electric potential at P point equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta divided by r square minus a square into r square minus a square into cos square of theta. Okay. So in these questions, the given value is what? This is the r by a is greater than 1. Okay. If we dividing the number of a squaring, then what value will be exist? Vp equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, that is the a square into this is the p cos theta divided by r by a whole squaring minus just cos squaring theta minus cos squaring theta. Okay, so you can say here r by a is greater than 1. Okay, so r square by a square is also greater than 1. Also you can say cos theta is lie between -1 to 1. So cos square theta is less than 1. Imply that you can say so r square by a square is also greater than 1. Imply that you can say, so you can say that also you can say this is the a squaring. Okay, this is the a squaring. So a squaring into cos square theta is very less than a. So that number which will be equals to r squaring. Because cos square theta is cos square theta is lie 0 to 1. A is a very small quantity because you can say this is the distance from minus q to center. This is the a because this is the dipole. So according to dipole, just आपका minus q and that number which will be equals to a. This is the a point. This is the a point and cos theta is lie from 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 and that number is slightly आपका very less than. So very less than into that number is 0 to 1. Let us suppose 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into आपका 1 by 2 into very slightly less than. So that value approximate is आपका negligible according to the r square because r is the very small distance. Sorry, very आपका large distance. R is the very large distance. A squaring into cos square theta is the very small quantity. Imply that we can say so that value is equals to the r square. That value equals to r square. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is the constant, P constant, cos theta constant. Imply that we can say electric potential at P point proportional to the 1 by r square. Okay. So potential at P point which is the proportional to the 1 by r square. Also you can calculate the just work done from m to n. Okay, and a small charge is goes. So for C point, just work done from m to n. So work done from m to n equal to a small charge just delta q into potential means final position minus initial positions, means you can say just final position minus initial position. So potential for final position and minus potential for the initial positions. So work from m to n means you can say this is the initial, this is the final. So you can say delta q because in these questions delta q is a small charge. Imply that we can say from initial to final you can say delta q into potential final minus potential of the initial. So you can say delta q into v final minus v initial equals to. So we have to calculate the value of v initial. V initial means we have to need a potential at m point. So initial, according to initial potential at m point. Okay, potential at m point. Okay, so potential at m point is what? This is the plus q charge, this is the minus q charge. So potential at m point, okay, equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught charge q. This is the charge q because charge q is the common charge q divided by this is the plus q charge, and we have to need the potential at m point. Imply that we have to need a distance bm. So bm is what? Bm equal to root of 5 minus 0 whole square, 0 minus 0 whole square, 0 minus a square equal to, here you can see root of a square plus 5 square because 5 minus 0 whole square distance between two point in 3D form. तो 5 माइनस 0 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 0 माइनस 0 होल स्क्वायर प्लस आपका 0 माइनस a होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू द जस्ट आपका 1 डिवाइडेड बाय ड्यू टू प्लस वी कैन से जस्ट आपका रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस 25. Okay, this is the minus due to minus q charge. So you can say due to minus q charge, so this is the end point. So you can say 0 minus 5 whole square, 0 minus 0 whole square minus a minus 0 whole square, imply that we can say a square plus 25. So root of 1 upon root of a square plus 25. Okay, so this is the minus, this is the plus, value will be which will be equals to 0. So initial r आपका m point, the potential which will be equals to आपका 0. Okay, so also you can find out the potential at end point, because this is the initial, this is the final. So potential at end point is what? Potential is end point equals to, similarly you can say that is the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q common, imply that you can say that is the bn. Bn is what? 0 minus 5, 0 minus 7 whole square, just आपका 49, 0 minus 0 whole square, a minus 0 whole square, imply that you can say a square plus 49. Here you can say this is the a, imply that you can say just 0 minus 7 whole square 49, 0 minus 0 whole square minus a minus 0 whole square equal to a square plus 49. Imply that we can say that value will be equal. So you can say potential at आपका final, potential at final, or you can say just potential at end point which will be equals to 0. Okay, so you can calculate, you will calculate the value of initial potential and final potential, also both value will equals to 0. So 0 minus 0 which will be equals to 0. So any number into 0 is always 0. So delta q into 0 which will be equals to 0. So work from m to n position which will be equals to a 0.